Good day. Today I'm going to show how you can edit the contents of your consent forms. First, click on PX Portal. Once you have been redirected to the portal, click the human icon to show the drop-down located on the upper right corner of your screen, and then click on Configuration. Under the drop-down called Form Template Designer, select Consent Form Designer from the list. Select the template that you wish to edit from the drop-down list. Once you have selected the template you wish to edit, feel free to go ahead and make the changes you wanted. Once you're done, click on the Save button located at the bottom left of your screen. You will then receive a confirmation that the template was saved, and that is it. That is how you can edit the content of your consent forms. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.